Welcome to Team Tracker, creating and optimizing route. On the left side panel here are the address fields. The first field shows the address from where you are going to start your route. This default value comes from the setting where you have selected this address at the time of sign-up. You can change the address from here if you want. The second field shows the address where you will end this route. You can change it likewise if you want. Here, the third field gives you the option to search the address from Google Maps. The drop-down list will appear as per your keywords you enter here. You can also add locations from the map. Just click on any location on the map and add it to your list. You can also rename the location for your convenience, and you can select your desired address from the list. You can also rename this address for your convenience and save it for later search from your saved address database. Here is the fourth field of address search. It gives you the search from your saved, renamed addresses. Now here is the address list we have created for our field staff visits. Here, for each stop, you can adjust the radius for geofencing depending upon the nature of the visit or stop. Once all stops or visits are listed, you need to press the button underneath Continue with your route, and a pop-up window will appear and give you the option to enter name and description of your route. Then, select the mode of transport, like drive, motorbike, or walk. If you don't want Team Tracker to optimize this route and keep it as per your arrangement, you do not need to select the option Optimize my route. Otherwise, just select it and press Save. Once saved, go to the Assign Save Route to Field Staff, and here, all the routes will appear. You can select the route and the staff on the other side, and confirm it. Team Tracker will send a link to your staff WhatsApp number.